Welcome back to the Vetted Biz YouTube channel. I'm Patrick Findaro, co-founder at Vetted Biz, and today we're diving into the F45 Fitness Studio franchise. We've reviewed this concept a few times over the past 3 years. We felt it was warranted to do another review as this is a publicly traded company that has gone through some turmoil, and as well as they recently updated their FDD for 2023. So stay tuned as we dive in to see if the F45 franchise is worth opening in 2023 or going into 2024. F45 had a lot of buzz, big investors going in, Mark Wahlberg among them, but it's not a US concept. It was launched first in Australia in 2012. Today, it's expanded to be globally with over 2,300 franchises sold in 63 countries. Adam Gilchrist served as the director and CEO of F45 until May 2023, and he left kind of on controversial terms. He was instrumental to the company's formation and growth, but since the company IPO'd, the stock's gone down 96%, and it's now a penny stock trading at 62 cents as of July 11, 2023. Focusing on the United States for this video, as most of our viewers are coming from the US, but not all. F45 began offering franchise 2015, became a major player in the franchise space with 600 plus units open, just one corporate location, and big names behind the brand. Mark Wahlberg, David Beckham. The stock IPO'd July 15, 2021 under the symbol FXLV, raising about $280 million in net proceeds from the offering. As I mentioned, the stock has grossly underperformed and has fallen in value 96% since the IPO. In basically 2 years, the stock's gone down 96%. So let's talk a little bit about the competition, as there is a lot of competition and that has hurt the financials for the F45 brand. They compete against Orange Theory. They compete a bunch of other boutique fitness concepts owned by another publicly traded company, Exponential Fitness, including Cycle Bar, Club Pilates, as well as other boutique high intensive workout exercise regimes. Now, how much is an F45 franchise? It's going to set you back an initial franchise fee of $50,000, as well as equipment package of $150,000. Total cost to get up and running is going to vary anywhere from $350,000 to about $550,000. So that's a lot of money, if you ask me, to open up a pretty small footprint gym in the United States. In addition, the owners are responsible for ongoing fees. This includes royalty, brand fund, marketing fee. The royalty fee is 7% of gross sales, or $2,500 a month, which can be pretty high if you're in the starting phases of your gym. Their royalty at 7% is a little higher than industry standard. It's usually a little closer to 6%. Marketing, though, is in line. Now, how much do F45 franchise owners make? They don't release financials in their latest FDD. We looked at the item 19 section. No financials there. We estimate per our records, per conversations with F45 franchisees, per financials that they shared before the IPO, that franchisees are making about $300K, $350K in sales, and they were making closer to $100,000, at least disclosed by F45 and their I believe, who is now their former CFO. We think that those franchisees making $100,000 are quite few and are pretty limited to some key markets, especially in the Sydney, Australia market. We estimate most franchisees are barely getting by. And if they're making money, it's $50K, $60K a year, but there aren't many franchisees that we've heard of that are consistently making $150,000, $200,000, which that's what I would hope if you're investing upwards of $550,000 into a franchise. So F45 Fitness Studio is positioned as a major player in the fitness industry, especially in the boutique space. They've benefited by close brand association with Mark Wahlberg, with David Beckham. If it's me though, I think I would pass on this brand until the parent company reshapes in some form, as well as closely tracking the stock price as at 62 cents with debt at the parent company level. There is a possibility of bankruptcy. I don't think the bankruptcy is imminent, but there is a possibility of bankruptcy. And if you're one of the 600 franchisees that are currently open and your franchisor is bankrupt, you can just imagine the type of support or lack of support you're going to be getting from the franchisor. So don't just take it from me, Patrick. I'm not a franchisee. Talk to some franchisees of F45 and even talk to some former franchisees of F45 to see if they would invest again in this concept. So that's a wrap of today's video on F45. If you found this information valuable, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more franchise insights. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. You can always shoot me an email at patrick@vettedbiz.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.